So I've got some more Samsung Note 10 Plus cases here for you guys to check out. This one here is from Mobile Fun. It says here, love your mobile. So along with the cases, they sent out me another Note 10 Plus dummy phone. And this one is the white color. So as you can see, the white color looks very elegant. To be honest, I prefer this color compared to those other the new colors like the rainbow color or whatever that color is. I just find this color looks very elegant and sophisticated. So let's open this box and see what kind of cases they sent out to me. So here we go. It looks like they sent 5 cases. So the first one we've got here, this is a rubber case that looks like a leather pattern on the back. It does have that stitch on the back as well, but it's actually all rubber, guys. So let's put this on the Note 10 Plus and see what it looks like. All right, so that's what it looks like on the Note 10 Plus. As you can see, it looks very nice. The leather look looks really realistic. And on the side here, we are pretty much, there's nothing there. On the bottom, all the ports, the S Pen are exposed. And on the side here, we do have all the buttons covered. And then of course on the top, we've got all your microphone exposed, and we've got the camera here well protected. And on the front, let's check out the front here. We do have plenty of elevation on the forehead and at the bottom, so that you can protect the front screen display. So let's check out another case here. Let's put that on the side for now. So here we have another silicone case. It comes with a tempered glass. As you can see right there, it comes with a tempered glass, which is really nice. And on the back, let's see what kind of pattern we have on the back here. So on the back, we have this brush look, aluminum look on the back, and also we do have the top and bottom that carbon fiber look, which looks really nice. Everything is made of rubber. And let me just remove this paper here and we can test it out and see what it looks like. So let's just put this on the side, guys. The wind is coming along here, it's blowing my stuff. Oh, I placed that in the wrong way, so let's put this on over here like so. And that's what it looks like. As you can see, it looks very nice again. And at the bottom, the same setup, fully exposed. The side, you've got all your buttons covered. Top, microphone are well exposed, and on the side, nothing. And the same amount of elevation protection on the top and bottom. You are pretty much good to go with all these cases, guys, and it looks really nice. So let's move on to the next case we've got here. So the next case we've got here, I think this is a unique one. As you can see, this thing, it's got a back secret door, which you can put your cards and your paper money. So this thing is made of, it seems like it's mixed. It's made of rubber, and this sliding door is made of plastic. So, and inside you've got that nice suede texture feel to it. So let's put this on and see what it looks like. All right, so that's what it looks like, guys. It looks very nice again. And the same cutouts on the bottom side and so forth. And of course, the front, forehead, top and bottom, you got that nice elevation. And of course, the part that we are more interested in is this secret back door. So let me grab a credit card or something here just to show you an example what it looks like when you do have a card that you could place on the back. So all you have to do is just slide this back and slip your card like so and close it, and boom. So you got that nice compartment where you can just, you know, tuck away your cards or paper money. So let me grab my paper money just to show you guys what it would look like if you do want to store some money there. So I've got a couple of $20 here. So all you have to do is just kind of slip it in there like so. If it doesn't fit, just fold it like so and close the door like so. So as you can see, it just tucks away nice and easily, and you will not notice that there is actually a card or money back there, which is really, really handy, guys. So I think this one's by far the best case that I've encountered on a Note 10 Plus. So let me move on to the next case. Let me just put this to the side. Let me grab my money, put it away, and we'll move on to the next case that we have here. All right, so the next case we've got here, it looks like it's a leather genuine Samsung case. They sent out the red color here, which looks really nice. As you can see, you've got the Samsung name on the back there. And inside you do have that nice suede texture feel to it, which is really, really nice. So let's just put this on here and see what it looks like. And that's what it looks like, guys. On the bottom, you got complete exposure there. On the side, you do have all your protection. You do have access all your buttons here. The button layout in the side here is made of metal. It's not rubber. And let's see, on the top and bottom, you do have an elevation on the top, as you can see from there. And then at the bottom, you do have it on the corners. All right, so that's what it looks like on this case. It looks really, really nice, guys. So the last one here, we've got another genuine Samsung case. This is a wallet case in navy blue color. And inside is made of that suede texture feel to it, which feels great in the hand. And the outside, you have that like a jacket feel material outside. And let's put this on here and see what it looks like. And yeah, so on the side, you still have access to your power button, your up and down volume rocker, and everything at the bottom. And then on the top is fully exposed. And on the side, there's nothing much. I don't know if this case actually shows the LED or some information on the front. I'm not too sure if this is the case that does it, but I wish I could test it out, but I don't have the real phone, guys. But anyways, this case looks very elegant. I do like this case as well. And yeah, this one I'm not too sure. I think you could probably put, let me see if you could put something here. Okay, so it looks like you can't put anything there. And yeah, if you like that nice full complete coverage, the front and back, this one you might want to consider, guys. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any other questions or anything like that, guys, just hit me up. Leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
There's no denying what we want.